Hello guys, welcome to Varun Teki, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned data types in Python. In today's session, let us learn about type conversion in Python. In Python, type conversion is a process of converting a variable from one data type to another. Python provides inbuilt functions for performing these conversions. Here is a brief explanation. Implicit type conversion. In some cases, Python automatically converts one data type to another without any explicit request from the user. This is known as implicit type conversion. It occurs when performing operations between different data types like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Here is the example. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5.5. Z gives x plus 5. Here, directly it converts from integer to float. Explicit type conversion. In this, programmer use the conversion. It is also called as typecasting. User explicitly specifies the conversion from one data type to another by using inbuilt functions. Example for int. This is the code. Here, from string to int, we gave a string and we have converted from int to string. String to list and boolean. It's a note that all conversions are not possible, and attempting to convert incompatible types may result in errors. Now, I will show you some examples. Implicit data type. In this in this conversion, it converts directly. See, here we got output 15.5 from int to float. This is inbuilt function where there is no explicit conversion. From converting string to integer, this is an explicit which user defines the conversion. Here we gave a string and we converted into integer. We got the output as integer. From integer to float, we gave an integer 42 and we converted to float. Here is the output. From integer to string, here we gave an integer and we converted into string. Integer to list. And integer to boolean. So these are the conversions. Thank you.